Please, please, Judge Fish, please. Please, Judge Fish, I have 3 kids that need me and I have to work to pay the bills. I only missed court because I was in custody. I never.
March 13th?
Yes, Judge.
Please, Mark.
Okay. We'll have you back on March 13th. We'll do it at 10.
I have court at March 13th. I have court on March 4th and March 13th. I can't.
My file shows the defendant failed to appear in November of 2024. Ultimately, he was released in December. No, I'm sorry. I'm going to go back further. Looks like his first failure to appear was in October of 2024. A warrant was issued. Then there was an attorney status on November 15th. Failed to appear for that as well. He was released. It looks like there was a notice of pretrial release violation filed in April of 2025. And then again, we're looking at the new petition and the addendum. And now there's been a warrant issued. And again, Judge, I'm going to ask that he be taken into custody. I think there are phones in jails, and no effort apparently has been made to contact his lawyer, the probation office, or the court.
And when I look back at this, I see what you're saying. Well, this case came back as a redocketed diversion, correct?
Yes.
Pretrial release back in September 2024. Failure to appear back in November 2024. Pretrial release violations in April 2025. And then the instant pretrial release violation. So yeah, I'll maintain our warrant. Take Mr. Garner into custody.
Excuse me, I was locked up, sir. Please don't do this. I have a family and I have bills to pay. Please.
Mr. Garner, I need to keep you in this jurisdiction until we can dispose of this case.
Excuse me, I have to go to court. Please, please, please. I have court next week, please. And
Sir,
I
I
have to pay
made
for
my
bills.
ruling. We'll take you into custody. And what's the best time for a court date, Mr. Worthley?
Please, please, Judge Fish, please. Please, Judge Fish, I have 3 kids that need me and I have to work to pay the bills. I only missed court because I was in custody. I never.
March 13th?
Yes, Judge.
Please, Mark.
Okay. We'll have you back on March 13th. We'll do it at 10.
I have court at March 13th. I have court on March 4th and March 13th. If I can't keep missing court, they're going to keep issuing warrants, officer.
Oh, I understand, sir. I understand. That's your situation here.
Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Please.
We'll see you back on March the 13th, sir. 10 o'clock.
I didn't do anything.
10 o'clock?
Yes.
Can I give her a
Look
kiss?
pretty solid at 9.
Can I give her a kiss, Judge Fish?
No. You can give her the keys. I thought you said a kiss.
No.
I apologize. Keys, yes.
Judge
A kiss,
Fish, I was
no.
in custody every time. I'm not a bad person. Please, can you please?
No one is saying you're a bad person, Mr. Garner, but I need to keep you in this jurisdiction until we can resolve this case. We're adjourned.